Out of many plants, the rubber plant is one of the plants that love to stay in water. You can simply grow them with cuttings, and also you can grow them and propagate them in water. So this is one of the plants that you can decorate your home with easily. You can put them in water, wash the plant cutting, and you can simply keep it in a glass jar so that the growth of the plant is visible. You can see the growth. You will see the rooting also, that is visible once you keep it in a glass jar. So this way you can propagate it, and also this is a plant that loves staying in water. You can simply wash these plants and give it a good shower, because then the leaves will be really very clean, and also the dust that accumulated in the leaves will be washed off. So once a week you can do this way and keep the plants very clean and fresh by giving it a thorough wash. If you can keep it near a windowsill so that it will get filtered sunlight also. So that is about the placement of the cuttings. So these water propagated plants will root well and fast if you can let it sit near a windowsill. That is a tip. So the next plant or the cutting that I have in water is the money pothos plant. There are many varieties of pothos plants. This is a neon pothos cutting, and you can decor your home easily with these beautiful cuttings. They love to sit in water. There will be no pests attack when you keep it inside your home. So this is one of the plants that you can decor your home with very easy, and also any beginner gardener can do this. So to propagate money pothos plants, you can just simply select any kind of container to keep it in water. Make sure to clean the water once in a week and check for mosquitoes, and also be aware of cleaning the water and giving the plant fresh water. So make sure to do it once in a week. I normally change the water once in a week, and my plants are really growing well. And you can see the other plant along with the money pothos. We have this beautiful lucky bamboo plant. Lucky bamboo plant also one of the plants that you can easily grow in water. They are healthy stems. You can keep in water and propagate, and also you can decor your home. So here we have the tea plant along with the money bamboo stem, and they are also love to stay in water. These plants easy to grow in water, decor your home, and also these fit into any type of any glass jars. If you have any waste jars, you can use them for your water propagation of plants. So now here I have a cutting of philodendron, another plant that loves to grow in water. You can see how beautiful, lush and green. Once you keep them indoors, they work as air purification plants as well. So as I have shown in the video at the beginning, you must clean the plant leaves once a week. And when it's time to put them back to soil, you can do so. So these plants also loves to sit in water, and if you keep it near a window, they will get filtered sunlight. So you can take a look at my pothos cuttings. This is golden pothos, and this plant I have make a home decor with it, with a glass jar. It is very simple, but it gives a very eye-catching look, and also you can add any pebbles of your choice, any colorful pebbles or rocks. If you have no space for gardening, but still if you love plants, you can do this way. You can keep plants in water and can add green to your home. So the next plant that I'm going to show you is another variety of philodendron, and along with the golden pothos. And here I have the pandan plant in water. All these plants are beautiful, and you can make easily decorative, and also you can easily decor your home with these water propagated plants. So these plants love staying in water. Make sure to wash them, a thorough wash every week, and also you must see to any pest attacks like spiders or any ants. Keep it near a windowsill for better growth, so that it will receive a certain amount of sunlight through the window.